town where even smiles turn to ash. No hate remains, only aching pain. We won't forget those tears, those silent prayers. It wasn't just Okinawa, across the land they fell, nameless souls fading into quiet. We don't need war again, but shadows draw near. We're being tested, can we protect with our hands? I cry out with all my heart, this earth, this sky, the ones I love, our future bright. Till the last one stands, I will fight. And when I fall into the night, my soul will shine to guard your light. I don't want war, but something stand. This homeland, your gentle smile, peace can bloom in silent hands. Resolve beats softly in denial. I vow with all my fleeting breath to guard this dream, to honor death, not built on paper.